So, when beginning any type of mindfulness practice, it's important that we focus our attention on the breath and use the breath as an anchor in any practice that we're doing. And we do this by establishing a connection to our diaphragm. And the diaphragm is our primary breathing muscle, and it sits here just below the rib cage and above the internal organs. And it's a dome-shaped muscle, and when we breathe in, the diaphragm contracts. It creates a vacuum in the lungs, which draws the air through the nose down into the lungs. And when we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes, the lungs deflate, and the breath leaves the body. So to begin with, find yourself a comfortable seated position where your spine can be long, your sitting bones can be grounded, and then just imagine that there's a piece of string pulling you up by the crown of the head just to create some more length through the spine. You can place your hands onto your lower rib cage, closing the mouth, allow the tongue to relax against the roof of the mouth, just breathe in through the nose. And as you breathe in, notice the expansion of the rib cage out to the sides as you breathe into the hands. And as you breathe out, just allow the body to slowly relax as the lungs deflate. You can keep the hands here, or you can place them onto your lap. And maybe you can introduce a count here. So as you breathe in, count silently in the mind 3. And as you breathe out, extend the exhalation and count for 6. Breathing in for 3 and breathing out for 6. So with each exhale, allow the face to soften, allow the jaw to relax, just allow the shoulders to relax. Keeping the spine strong, keeping these lower abdominal muscles engaged. Just allow the front of the body to relax. So when we breathe in this way, we want to achieve a breath that is light, that is slow, and that is deep. So when we breathe light, we make the inhale as subtle as possible. And when we breathe slow, we breathe with firm, measured contractions of the diaphragm. And when we breathe deep, we send the breath deep into the lower lobes of the lungs, where is the highest concentration of oxygen-rich blood. And if your mind starts to wander, just gently draw it back to the awareness of your breath. Breathing in for 3 and breathing out for 6. Just inviting in feelings of calm and relaxation. Maybe noticing as your attention begins to stabilise, your nervous system begins to relax. Your mind begins to settle, just letting go of any busy thoughts. And if your mind starts to wander, just gently guide it back to the awareness of your breath, time and time again. You can practice this for 10 breaths or up to 10 minutes. At any time of the day that you feel a need just to reset, find some inner calm and clarity. Just let go of any stress or any busyness. And remembering that the breath is your most important ally when beginning any kind of mindfulness practice, whether that's meditation, whether it's breath work, whether it's yoga, And it's really important that you focus your breathing on breathing into the diaphragm. So if you find yourself breathing into the chest, practice this diaphragmatic breathing, creating that connection, that strength within that diaphragm. So when you are finished, just bow the chin down, flicker and open the eyes if they were closed, and then bring the hands together just to complete your practice and to seal in your practice. And I'll see you on the next video.